So let's give it a whirl. I'm going to go ahead and open Project Zomboid, and then I'm going to try to run a solo game to run this map mod that we have going here. Again, I'm going to go ahead and do, well, not again. When I do these kinds of tests, I am going to run them in real time for you. Not because I'm trying to pad. I don't really want to care to be a YouTuber. I'm just adding to the modding community, but to show you, like the amount of time that it takes to elapse. So if you feel like yours is going slow, or if you feel like you don't want to miss like some magic voodoo that happens in the background, there is no magic, right? I'm just opening my game. I'm going to hit solo, and I'm going to try to pick my world, right? That way you can see all the steps. Alrighty, cool. Oh yeah, I found it. It's going to be here. Getting it in the game, this hidden contents area, title, lots, description, 2x true. So just be aware that I'm getting this information right from the one-stop tiles at mapping, as I mentioned, from the Indie Stone forums. The Indie Stone, of course, is the group of developers that what is going on with my Steam? That designed the game, Project Zomboid. Wow, this video, I'm just really tripping over my words. Please open. All right, let's take a look here, see if we can find here. In this example, we're adding overriding cells in the base game map, right, which is Moldra, Kentucky. File and save as instead of save at text file. That's how you can change it. If you create a new text file and then you save as, you can change it to map info. And then the next PNG is the thumb PNG. This is going to be used in the games menu for your mod. Okay, wonderful. So this effectively is explaining exactly what it is. Navigate up to 3 folders until you first can see the media folder. In this folder, alongside the media folder, you want to create 2 final files, mod.info, and this is the poster PNG. So those are the things that we already created or had created because I went ahead and copied, right, the mod example. And that is something that I'm going to do. They left those example mods for us so that we can effectively follow along and have a correct file structure. Because when it comes to the file structures to getting in the game, when we use the lots and those images, it becomes extremely important that the file structure is 100% correct. All right, so I'm loading up the game here. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit solo. It doesn't really matter what type. I'm going to hit Apocalypse. And then I'm going to go ahead and here select spawn location. Looks like it has everything loaded. I have so many map mods. I can actually, I believe, look for them. And this should be named, where is it? What is my map called? I don't think it's here, to be completely honest. Not Erie. It was called Stripesville. That's what it was called. It's not here. So, looks like it's not available. So I'm going to hit back. That's because I believe that the mods, right, these are the mods that are loaded up. So I'm going to go back to choosing my mods. You can also go back and hit the mod section. And I'm going to go ahead and look for that Stripesville. This is the mod manager mod. That's why this looks this way. If yours doesn't look this way, I'd recommend getting the mod manager mod and being able to move things up. Let's see, Stripe. It's not on here. Okay. Awesomeness. To load up Project Zomboid, the very last file you need is another PNG. Copy your thumb and paste it here. That's all that's left to do. Users, your username, Zomboid mods. Load up Project Zomboid, click on mods, enable your mod, create a new game. Okay, let me go ahead and see if it's something different by clicking on mods here. If I manually go to S instead of searching, element OP QRS. Okay. Scrap. Shark. Shop. Simple. Slower. Soul. Split. Stripesville. No, there is no ST. So our mod did not make it on there. Hey, no problem. This is exactly why I want to do this in real time so that you can see, you know, whenever things mess up for me, I'm going to figure out what happened. So according to this, let's see, where do I need to be? So we need to go to C, users, my username, Zomboid, and then mods. Here we are. Then load up Project Zomboid. So in the mods, this is where I have my actual name of my mod with media, mod, and poster. Inside of media, we should have maps. Media, mod, and poster. We should have maps. And then here's the information. Map, thumb. Title, lots, description, fixed. Okay. Title, lots, description, fixed. Description, fixed. Well, wonderful. Looks like it's not working. Load up Project Zomboid, clip mods, enable your mod. I have a hunch on what's going on. Let me go ahead and click control copy here. I think what's going on is actually this is specific to my program in my computer, and you might already be sitting there like, why is it not working for you? It's working for me. I believe that when we usually click on users, I actually at one point had to reinstall Project Zomboid, and I think that I accidentally selected this, and this is where this is loading up from. If I go into mods here, yeah, here's my example mod. This is another folder. Okay. If I paste this where it's all of this loaded up, I think that's what's happening. And so this is a me-specific thing, so sorry for that, y'all. But hey, this is how you troubleshoot things. You want to make sure you find all the actual correct Project Zomboid mods. If you basically gave a different folder location for your Project Zomboid, you have to make sure you find the correct Project Zomboid location in order to be able to do that. All right. Let's go ahead and go to mods here. And now when I look up Stripesville, no, it doesn't work. Love it. Now, interesting. I believe when we were looking now, there were a bunch of STI type. Oh, it's because ST, like standardized, not STR. All right, cool. Well, it looks like it's not working here for me.